The moment we wake up, we start to see and feel a variety of objects around us. These are called as matter. But have you ever thought why these objects behave and look differently? In this video, let's explore one of the coolest topics of science, the three states of matter. By the end of this video, you will be able to know about what is matter, its three states, then the properties of matter, the particle theory of matter, and also you will be able to name the exotic states of matter that exist beyond these major states. On the basis of the behavior of these objects, scientists have grouped these substances into three major categories, which are solid, liquid, and gas. And the way they behave are their properties. You all are likely to have observed that water can exist in liquid form, then in ice form, and also in the form of water vapor. So let's begin with the major states of matter that are solid, liquid, and gas. To begin with, let's first see what is matter. Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in any substance. So, let me tell you a story. There was a small boy who was curious about science and he loved the objects around the world. Now, he noticed one day that his toy car is made up of some sturdy material. These were the solids. Now, why these solids were used to make his toy car was it helped it maintain a proper shape. So solids are the materials which have a rigid proper structure and which cannot be compressed. Also, they come in different shapes and sizes. Do you know why the solids have a rigid shape? Because there are tiny particles in every matter. In solids, these particles are closely packed together and they cannot move. They can only vibrate in their own position. Reason being, they cannot be compressed, they cannot flow, and also they maintain a proper structure. This is the reason why the solids do not change their shape once they change their location. That means no matter where you put the solids, they will retain their shape and size. Now let's talk about liquids. Another day, the little boy was playing outside on a hot summer day. He observed that the water in his pool changed the shape according to the container it was poured into. He filled some water from the pool into a bucket and it took its shape. Therefore, we know that liquids can change shape depending on the container we put. Now we realize that unlike solids, liquids do not retain a fixed shape. It is because the particles inside the liquid are not so tightly packed as in solids and they can move past each other, allowing them to move freely. This is when the little boy realized how important the water is in our lives. He started imagining all the juices he drank, the water he drinks every day, and the oil that is filled up in his mom's car. Without liquid, the survival of human being is impossible. On another day, the boy inflated a balloon for his birthday party. He was so fascinated to observe that the balloon expanded when he blew air into it. Then he realized that gases do not have any fixed shape or volume, and this happens because the particle arrangement is slightly different in case of gases. They are quite weakly bonded as compared to solids and liquids. By learning about gases, he gained a deeper appreciation for gases and how they play a crucial role in our environment and daily lives. Time to know the exotic states of matter that exist beyond the three states, solid, liquid, and gas. Number 1 is plasma, number 2 Bose-Einstein Condensates, and number 3 is Fermionic Condensates. Discovered the electron in 1897, providing the first evidence that atoms are not indivisible but composed of smaller particles. Subsequent discoveries by physicists like Ernest Rutherford, who identified the nucleus in 1918, and others who discovered additional subatomic particles, further refined our understanding of the particle theory of matter. To get more insight, check out my recent video on plasma, the fourth stage of matter. For students, go through the topics, and anything, drop me a message in the comment section below. Please do like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you get instant notifications for the new videos. I will see you in the next session. Till then, take care and goodbye.